Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Sasha. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys January 2019's Boxy Charm. If you guys are interested in seeing all of the goodies in this black little box and how I use them to create this look, just keep on watching. Come on! Oh, so fierce. So of course your Boxy Charm comes in this black box like always. This month's Boxy Charm theme is Boxy and Chill, which I thought was super cute. So this month's hashtag is Boxy Chill. If you guys are interested in seeing what other people got, just hashtag Boxy Chill on IG. Of course, it comes with this little brochure that has the prices and the list of everything you received. So let's go ahead and bust this box wide open, y'all. So the first thing I received is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. It does come with two. It says nourish skin from within using a lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. It's just basically going to give you a dewy look. It does have some anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, algae, and instantly restores your skin to a healthy, radiant glow, which everybody loves. So I'm excited to try this out. It does recommend that you leave this on, like the liquid that's on there, to rub it into your skin. So I'm just going to go ahead and place this over a clean face. Make sure you do wash your face before, because it doesn't really make any sense to do it when it's dirty, girl. So I'm going to go ahead and lie it flat, and we're going to leave this mask on for 10 minutes. Make sure you drag the product down. Then when you take it off, just rub in the excess into your skin, and there's going to be some of that package, so if you want to dig in there too, it's going to give you that nice glow. Just made my skin look nice and even. So I really liked it, and it smelled amazing. And this mask is valued at $24. So the next thing I'm going to talk to you guys about is the $1 Billion Brows. This is the universal brow pencil, especially and carefully formulated to work perfectly for most skin tones and most brow colors. It's a self-sharpening, so that's awesome. The only thing I have to say negative about this is it wasn't really universal for my brow. I mean, as you can see in the light, it has a pretty red undertone. My natural hair doesn't really have that red undertone, given I do kind of tend to lean to that kind of color, but this was a little more red than I was expecting. Nonetheless, the formula was good, and this retails for $18. So next is the Tarte Forest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. Now, I do right off the bat see that there isn't any really transition shades, especially for your girl. The packaging is beautiful. I love the peacock theme. It's super cute. But you're definitely going to need to use another palette with this. I like this for like weddings and stuff like that. So, I mean, that's really awesome, the shimmers in there. So I'm just going to have to go into another palette. This is one of the other palettes that I received in one of my last year's Boxy Charms. I like it. I will leave it down in the description box below if you guys are interested in it. And it's been something that I use here and there. So I'm just going to throw that shade from that palette all over the lid. And then I'm going to go in with some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm just going to cut my crease just so I can add some shimmer on top of that. And let's just see how it works out, because I think this palette is actually really cute. I do feel like they kind of did too many of the same shades in that palette. That would be the only con I have to say about the palette, which is probably the reason why it's in this Boxy Charm. I noticed that they tend to put products in these boxes that are not really doing well for the brand, hoping that somebody will discover it, like it, and that'll grow sales for that product. So I get the whole thing that they're trying to do, but I also get why these products aren't successful in the stores on their own. To complete this look, I'm going to be using the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Havana Nights. I really like this shade, and I'm super excited because Ofra is a pretty good brand. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this to complete my look. If you guys are interested in this look, or, well, pretty much, actually, I did this look on camera, to be honest with you, because the highlighter is actually one of the shades from the Tarte palette. So this look is pretty much already here in this video. The only thing is the foundation, and I'll be having that video up soon. This is the Laura Mercier foundation, their new one. So I'm excited to be reviewing that as well. Last thing I'm going to be talking about is a Briogeo setting spray. It's like a leave-in conditioner. I already love this stuff. You guys know I love this stuff. It came in a couple of months ago and I freaking love it. So I was happy when I seen another one. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment box below of this look. Okay, guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. I honestly have to say, overall, I liked every single thing in here. I even actually liked the brow product. At the beginning, I kind of wasn't really feeling it, but right now it looks really good. It's definitely not my color, so I will be checking out that brand in my shade. But I think the actual pencil itself worked really well, so I'm really happy with it. I think the Tarte palette was actually, I think this was my favorite item in the box in a whole, like in itself. Like I think that was the best part about it, even though you're going to have to use this and along with something else if you're like myself and you like more depth and not just all shimmer. But I'm not mad at it. I really like it, especially, I mean, think about it. If you only like I always say all the time, if you only like one product from here or two products from here, you usually end up getting your money's worth. This entire box this month was a retail value of $110, so that's pretty good. I love the whole boxy and chill theme, kind of like that Netflix and chill, and I think it goes really well because right now that whole bird box thing is going on in Bird Box, Boxy Charm. I think they kind of try to, like, you know, play off of that, which I thought was pretty cool. I mean, you guys know I'm really hard on them about their themes every month, but I think this month was really nice. I love this look. This is definitely my type of lipstick shade, and I just love it. It looks really nice. The Tatcha Skin Mask was amazing. I mean, it feels so good, and I'm so excited because I've been wanting to try those out. I just haven't, and I don't know why, but I'm definitely happy I did. It did leave a little bit of a sticky, like, residue or film on my skin, but it wasn't anything like that was gonna bother me or anything. And then when I put my primer on top of it, it felt really nice. So I'm really happy with this look. It looks super cute. Let me know what you guys think of this month's Boxy Charm. Let me know what you guys got in your guys' Boxy Charm, because we all don't always get the same thing. I'd love to hear if you guys liked yours or you didn't like yours, what products you guys got, if you guys got the same thing as me and you guys are enjoying it or you didn't feel the same way, because this month is actually probably the first month that I like every single product in the box, and I was really happy with it. So if you guys are interested in Boxy Charm, it's a monthly subscription for $21, which is absolutely amazing because a lot of these products are worth more than $21. So if you guys are a makeup junkie like myself, or you guys are trying to start your makeup collection, this is definitely something that's going to help you out, and it's going to be an affordable way to do it. So if you guys are interested, I'll have a link for Boxy Charm down in the description box below. I definitely feel like it's worth $21 every month that I spend on it. And yeah, I mean, like I said, I'm trying out new products that I never would have tried out, and they're looking really good. The Ofra lipstick isn't sticky, which I thought it was going to be, and it went on really nice, and I didn't even use a lip liner, so that was a win-win. Yeah, guys, this month's Boxy Charm gets 2 thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think. I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this with somebody who might find it useful. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to check out some of my other videos. Also, follow me on Instagram to see more on this look at I am Sasha Fierce 411.